When it comes to electric cars, the first name that pops into our head is Tesla, right? But what if we told you that the new Kia Niro is giving tight competition to one of Tesla's top cars, the Model 3? Hard time believing? Believe it or not, it's a fact. And the exciting news is that the Niro is coming with a facelift for the year 2023. So buckle up, guys. Let's see what the 2023 Kia Niro has in store for us. The remodeled 2023 Kia Niro EV will be far more noticeable on the road than its predecessor, thanks to intriguing lighting components and two-tone body panels. The Niro EV's design reflects Kia's rising confidence and reputation for daring design. The front end is an evolution of Kia's Tiger face, and it makes a statement with its oddly shaped headlight clusters and shallow light strip that runs the entire width of the car. However, the main talking point is at the back, where Kia has added a contrast panel that extends from the roofline to the rear wheel arc. It is kind of a feature you either love or loathe, and it takes some time to get used to. The all-electric subcompact SUV also offers a more premium interior with a unique appearance and digitized instruments. Kia also emphasizes the considerable usage of recycled materials on the inside. The new Niro EV has a 201 HP electric motor that drives the front wheels and is powered by a 64.8 kWh battery. Kia also claims that when connected to a DC fast charger, the battery can be charged from 100% to 80% in around 45 minutes. The Niro's offset charging flap has been replaced with a new centrally mounted port, and for the first time, the new clamshell bonnet features Kia's new logo. Anyone looking for a more traditional Niro can go for the hybrid and plug-in hybrid that is also part of the lineup. Motor, power, and performance. Once you start moving, the new Niro feels like it's evolved. The Niro EV's powertrain will consist of a single electric motor driving the front wheels. According to Kia, this setup produces 201 horsepower, making it more powerful than the 139 HP hybrid and 180 HP plug-in hybrid variants. The previous model was always a little jerky and aggressive for the 5-seat crossover, but the new one has been smoothed out to make it more comfortable. When you step on the throttle, the Niro EV does not leap forward and scrabble its front wheels like the previous model. As a result, the 0 to 62 mph time falls from 7.5 to 7.8 seconds, but that is still more than enough for a family car. The Niro offers 3 drive modes: Sport, Normal, and Eco. And the Kia still has paddle-operated regenerative braking, activated via paddles behind the wheel. This appears to be smoother and stronger than the previous model, helping recover energy that would otherwise be wasted. The Niro is also quieter and has a softer suspension, and the handling is safe and solid with reasonable body control, so it doesn't flop around over the place. Battery and range. While most of Niro's design and style features are new, the same cannot be said for the battery and charging setup. The Niro Electric has a larger battery pack at 64.8 kWh and, strangely, a slightly slower charge system, whereas the previous Niro could charge at a maximum speed of 77 kilowatts. The new version can only charge at 72 kilowatts, while this seems to be a step back, especially at a time when 100 kilowatts DC charging is considered the absolute minimum. Kia claims that its new electronics allows the Niro to charge at a faster rate for a longer period of time. As a result, a 10 to 80% charge will take about 9 minutes less and approximately 43 minutes. And Kia and Hyundai vehicles tend to charge at faster rates than competitors over a longer period of time. If you enter the charging station into the car's sat-nav, the Niro will also precondition the battery so it is at optimal temperature to take charge. The range has also improved a bit. Kia claims a range of 287 miles, a 5-mile increase over the previous generation. However, considering the Niro's reputation for extracting every last drop of energy from the battery, we expect it to translate to a solid 240 to 250 mile range in real conditions. Now, if you are wondering where the 39 kWh version is, the bad news is that Kia has yet to decide whether or not to release it. The 64 kWh model is much more popular than the 39 kWh model, and with the market going towards bigger packs with longer ranges, the smaller models may have run its course. Interior, comfort, and cargo. Inside, Kia has done an excellent job of making the Niro EV a more pleasant place to spend time, and it looks very different from its predecessor. Kia's designers included curved surfaces into the door panels and the dashboard top. The new dashboard is styled after the larger Sorento and Sportage models with a long, sloping dashboard rail. The digital instrument panel and infotainment display gives the cabin a high-tech vibe. The steering wheel has a unique two-spoke design, and the central console contains a rotary shifter, as well as other controls. Kia is also offering several innovative materials like a headliner made of recycled wallpaper and door trims made of solvent-free polymers. The change to a new body has also increased interior space. This is especially noticeable in the back, where six-footers will appreciate the extra legroom. Kia claims that, in addition to the new car's longer wheelbase, the front seats have been made slimmer to allow for extra knee space in the back. Customers can also request a relaxation seat, which reclines completely and allows them to relax. When it comes to practicality, the Niro Electric has an amazing cargo space of 475 liters. Infotainment, connectivity, safety, and driver assistance features. The Niro EV's infotainment system is centered on a 10.3-inch touchscreen. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, but wireless charging and a Harman Kardon sound system are optional. Kia claims that with the new digital key 2.0, consumers may remotely access vehicle features through their smartphones. Similarly, some functions can be accessed using voice command systems such as Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. The Niro EV 2023 comes standard with a bunch of driver assistance technologies. The key safety features are standard forward collision warning and automated emergency braking, standard lane departure, warning and lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control with stop-and-go technology. If you want to become a Niro electric buyer, you will have to learn two new acronyms, RSPA and V2L. RSPA stands for Remote Smart Parking Assist. It means you can use the key as a remote control to drive the car forward or back when you are outdoors. This is useful if someone parks too close to you and squeezes you in. V2L refers to the ability to power external electrical equipment using battery power. This is useful if you need to dry your hair while camping or making coffee in a parking lot. Price. The Niro EV will cost $42,340 for the 2 model, $45,670 for the 3 model, and $49,000 for the flagship 4 model. All are available in 8 different colors, with premium paint options costing $720. Top spec 4 models have a 2-tone paint option that costs $180 when combined with basic paint or $900 when combined with premium paint. Depending on the body color, customers can order the C-pillar in either contrasting steel gray or black pearl. The top-spec Niro EV4 is also available with a light gray interior, steel gray body paneling, and white pearl paint for $900 more than the base price of $49,000. Whatever you think of the more sci-fi design, you can't deny the fact that almost everything Kia has done to update the Niro has made it a more functional, appealing, and valuable car. On paper, it may look like it's gone backward, but it hasn't. Add in a gorgeous 7-year warranty and things are looking up. Renowned for its efficiency and beloved for its low price, Kia Niro is one of the best all-rounders you can buy. With that, we've come to the end of this video. What do you think of the Kia Niro EV? Please share your thoughts in the comment box below. We'd love to hear from you. Subscribe to our channel for more great videos like this. Turn on the post notifications while you're at it so you don't miss out on any of our future uploads. To learn more about cars, keep watching our videos. That will be all for today. We hope you enjoyed the video, and we hope to see you in the next one. Until then, bye-bye.